guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell so you're notified whenever I post a video. In today's video, I will be making some very tasty pineapple upside down cornbread and some moist and delicious banana bread. Let's get started. First, we're going to start off by making the pineapple upside down cornbread. I am going to start off by melting the butter, and I'm also going to sprinkle some brown sugar. After placing the pineapple, I am now placing the cherries. I am going to be using a box mix. I like the blue box mix, but this kind is also good. And if you're like, girl, what am I going to do with the box mix? Like, I want to bake. I got you, no worries. I have a video already on how to make cornbread from scratch. So I'm going to leave a link down in the description so you can follow that recipe. So basically, I'm following the instructions in the box of the cornbread to make this. But I'm also going to be adding some other stuff. The other stuff I will be adding, you don't have to add that. I'm just being a little extra. I will be adding a tablespoon of vanilla extract and a teaspoon of nutmeg. Once I'm done mixing this, I'm gonna add half a cup of heavy cream. I will gently mix it together. I'm gonna add some milk. You can add any kind of milk you have just to kind of get the right consistency. This is the consistency I'm looking for. This is what it looks like right out of the oven. What I did was I turned it over on a kickstand, and this is what it looks like.
Wow, it looks so amazing. I'm so excited to eat it, and it looks so good for Thanksgiving. I love the cherries and all of that.
Me too. It looks so good. I can't wait until you guys try it.
Yeah.
Yep, you heard it from Champ and Chanel.
Peace out.
So I'm gonna start making the banana bread.
First, I'm gonna be adding 2 cups of flour. Next, add half teaspoon of baking soda. In a different bowl, add half cup of brown sugar. Add 3 tablespoons of room temperature melted butter. Mix together until it's smooth and creamy. Mash 4 ripe bananas. Add the bananas to the brown sugar and butter. Add 2 eggs. Add half tablespoon of nutmeg. Add half tablespoon of vanilla extract. Next, we're gonna mix this all together. Add 1 tablespoon of sour cream. Add 1/8 cup of heavy cream. Mix it all together. Add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and then mix it together. Preheat the oven at 350. This is what it looks like right out of the oven. I really like it. You guys should try it. Banana bread is my favorite kind of bread. It looks so beautiful. It smells great. So you guys should try it. Bye.